If you want to make a delicious recipe that's really easy and will impress your family and guests, then you won't want to miss this. Today I've got a cookie recipe that not only delights the taste buds, but it also comes with a surprising twist. And what's the secret ingredient, you ask? Well, it's something healthy that adds an extra layer of flavor to your cookies. Stick around to discover it. But before we dive into the recipe, don't forget to drop a comment below and share your favorite Christmas cookie. I'm always on the lookout for new ideas. Okay, let's get started. In a small cast iron enameled pot, like the one I'm using today, or in a double boiler, combine 1 1/3 cups of your favorite chocolate chips with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I prefer to use a mix of milk chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate chips for that perfect sweetness, but feel free to experiment with dark chocolate chips if you prefer a richer flavor. Watch as the chocolate chips slowly transform into a luscious blend. Once melted, remove from heat, and while the chocolate mixture is cooling, grab a medium-sized bowl and mix 2 cups of our secret ingredient, puffed quinoa, with 1/3 cup of coconut flakes. Have you ever tried puffed quinoa in desserts? It's similar to puffed rice, but it adds a bit more protein, fiber and iron to elevate your cookie game. Next, pour the melted chocolate chips over the quinoa mixture and mix until everything is well combined. Using 2 spoons or a cookie scoop, make small cookies on 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. The recipe makes around 30 cookies depending on how big you make them. You can use your fingers to give the cookies a round shape. Pop the trays into the fridge until the quinoa cookies are set, around 30 minutes. Once ready, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Do you find that you struggle to share these delicious treats with your loved ones as much as I do? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this chocolate quinoa cookie recipe, I'm sure you'll love our next adventure in the kitchen. Check out this video for a no-bake, high-protein energy bite recipe that is easy to make and is also a brain-boosting delight. Click now and let's whip up some goodness together.